Here we're going to look at converting between units within the apothecary system and other sorts of systems. So let's take a look at the following example. If we were going to say convert 4 feet to inches, we start with 4 feet as a fraction. That's 4 feet over 1. And we're going to do fraction multiplication to rewrite this in terms of inches. We want feet to cancel, so feet will have to go downstairs. We want the result to be inches. We'll put inches upstairs. What's the conversion? 12 inches is 1 foot. And then you'll see that feet cancel. The result is inches. 4 times 12, 48 inches. So that same general process is used as we convert amongst other sorts of schemes. If we have 3 tablespoons, you want to rewrite that in terms of drams. How are we going to do that? We're going to go ahead and write 3 tablespoons over 1 times. We want tablespoons to cancel, so we want a result with drams. And what is our conversion factor? 4 drams is 1 tablespoon. As tablespoons cancels, the result is drams. 3 times 4 is 12 drams. If we wanted to chart that, we could say drams 12 XII. Next up we'll say 5 drams is how many minims? So we're going to go ahead and use our conversions. So that's 5 drams over 1. We want drams to cancel. We want minims to be on top. We look for our conversion, and we see 60 minims is 1 dram. As drams cancels, the result is minims. 5 times 60 is 300 minims. Using the other notation, we could say minims 300, each 100 is C. Although frankly that seems unlikely. People would actually use Roman numerals that large. So I'm certainly okay writing it as 300 minims. In other coordinate schemes, if I ask 2 1/2 gallons is how many ounces? How do we make that conversion? Well, sometimes we can go ahead and do other conversions on our way to get to ounces. First of all, 2 1/2, 2 times 2 is 4 and 1 is 5. This is 5 halves. Gallons. Gallons goes upstairs. Now, we eventually want gallons to go away, and I would argue the simplest way to do that would be to go to quarts on top and gallons on the bottom. Now, a quart means quarter, so 4 quarts, 4 quarters, is 1 gallon. But our goal is to get everything in terms of ounces. So we're going to want quarts to cancel, and let's put ounces or fluid ounces upstairs. And what do we know there? How many ounces are in a quart? 32 ounces in 1 quart. So we'll see gallons goes away. We see quarts goes away. So we have 5 times 4 times 32 divided by 2 ounces, which is 320 ounces. Next up we'll ask 3 1/2 ounces is how many drams? So 2 times 3 is 6 and 1 is 7. 7 over 2 ounces. Remember the ounces is in the numerator. We want ounces to cancel. We want to convert ounces to drams. And our conversion is 8 drams is 1 ounce, in which case the ounces cancel. 7 times 8 is 56, divided by 2 is 28 drams. Now, let's take a look at this one. 4 ounces is how many tablespoons? So we're told that 1 ounce is 2 tablespoons, so we want to convert from ounces to tablespoons. Ounces on the bottom, tablespoons on top. So we're told that 2 tablespoons is 1 ounce. So you'll notice that ounces cancels. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 tablespoons. We can take a look at 3/4 of a dram is how many minims. So we'll write it as 3/4 drams. We want to get rid of drams, so drams goes downstairs. Minims goes upstairs. And our conversion is 60 minims is 1 dram. As drams cancel, the result is going to be minims. 3 times 60 divided by 4 gives us a result of 45 minims. Well, let's do a couple more. One-half ounce is how many drams? So we need the conversion from ounce to drams. We want ounces to cancel, turn ounces into drams. There are 8 drams in 1 ounce. So we'll notice that ounces cancel, the result is drams. 1 times 8 is 8, 2 times 1 is 2, 8 divided by 2 is 4 drams, which we certainly could chart. Drams, 4. And let's take a look at one more. How about 36 drams? Is how many ounces? So this time we're going the other way. We're starting with drams. 36 drams over 1, we're going to multiply by some fraction. Drams on the bottom, ounces on the top. And what's our conversion? 8 drams is 1 ounce. So you'll notice that drams cancels, and we get 36 over 8 ounces. This might be a good opportunity to review how to reduce fractions. 8 is 2 times 2 times 2. 36 is 6 times 6, or 2 times 3 times 2 times 3 ounces. As the 2's go away, cancel the 2's. Cancel the 2's. We get 9 over 2 ounces, which is 4 1/2 ounces. And how do we chart that? The symbol that we use for ounces is this thing. We want 4 1/2 ounces, 4 IV, and 1/2 SS. So 4 1/2 ounces would be charted that way.